Installation. Single-phase AC couple with 2 CT. Step 1. Start by connecting the communication cable to the inverter. Take the correct communication port from the accessory pack. Attach it to the communication cable and assemble the connector. Then plug it into the corresponding terminal on the inverter. Step 2. Install 2 CT. Clip 1 CT onto the power cable of the PV inverter. Then clip the other CT onto the incoming live L wire of the main grid connection. Now, CT wiring completed. Step 3. Setting on the display. Enable CT2.